Hi, in this video we're gonna solve the question 65, which says suppose g is an even function and let h equals f of g. Is h always an even function? So basically what we have is g is even function, and we also have another function h which equals f of g. So is the h an even function? So as you guys know, for any function to be even, then so let's suppose we want the h of x to be even, then h of minus x must be equal to h of x. This is true for any function that we want to check whether it's even or not. If this condition is true, then this function is even. So let's prove this, whether this is true or no for our function h of x. So let's get our, as you guys know, h equals to f of g, right? It's given us from the equation in which g is even. So let's go for it. Let's take this one first. And it says f of g for minus x. And this means f of f as function for g of minus x. And we said since g is even function, then it's gonna get rid of the minus. So basically, let's suppose like it's gonna eat it to make simplify it. So what we end up with, g of x, because it's even, then it's gonna get rid of the, if it was odd, then it was gonna throw it to the outside, but since it's even, then it's gonna get rid of it. So, and if you look over here, this function equals h of x. This function equals f of g for x, which is also equivalent to h of x. So what this means, h of minus x equals h of x. So our condition is true. H is even.